Hey guys, welcome back to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today I'll be making some quick ribbon or colored cheese sandwiches. This is an all-time Jamaican specialty. I'll be using cheese, a little mayonnaise, a little cream cheese. You can also use your butter if you choose. A little hint of mayonnaise and a little hint of black pepper. I'll be using some colored ingredients to give the cheese different color. You can do this for your children. There are some really tasty sandwich. Also, the look is like really attractive. This is a little different from the cooking. It's a quick and easy meal that you can do if you have friends coming over. You don't want to cook, especially in the hot weather. Some quick and easy ribbon or rainbow sandwich. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, and give your girl a like. Stay tuned for my video. So these ribbon sandwich in Jamaica, they were the bomb, the best. No, it's summer, less cooking, places like really hot. So here is a quick recipe that I'll be showing you how to make some quick sandwiches. I'll be using Jamaican cheddar cheese. I'll be using some food coloring, a little mayonnaise, a hint of black pepper. I used a little honey mustard, and I used a little cream cheese in it. You can use butter. So I rub my cheese in my grater. Yes, you can grate this with your grater if you choose to, but I choose to rub it in my strainer because it's as sharp as. And I'll be using Jamaican style hardo bread and potato bread. The hardo bread is not really my favorite, especially here, but I'll be using just a little hint. So once I shred my cheese, I just separated them and I added a little food coloring. Now for the food coloring, you don't want to use too much because that will kill the taste of the sandwich. These sandwiches in Jamaica, they were the bomb. When you were going on any school trip, these cheese sandwich, let me tell you, if you remember them, I want you to drop a comment under this video and tell me what you remember about these sandwiches and what you liked. Don't use too much food coloring. It will take away the taste, or the sandwich will taste bitter. You can also use American cheddar cheese. You can also mix a little mozzarella in it if you choose to. I did not. I just wanted to go with the regular, and I used all four colors. I used a little bit of the red, the green, the blue, and the yellow. Now, once I mix in, I added a little, and this is my way. I added in a little cream cheese. I added a little honey mustard. This is optional. You don't have to do it that way. In Jamaica, they never added honey mustard to it, but I wanted to do it my way with a little hit. So I added some honey mustard. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. You can make this quick sandwich for parties, for little trips, or even for a little picnic. The colors are really nice. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. I'm not cooking today. I'm just like doing a quick and easy sandwich for you that you can add to your picnic basket. I know the kids will love this, especially because of the color. And yes, I trim the edges from off my bread because I want to, and it's my business. Yes, I did. It's optional, you don't have to. But this sandwich is like really quick and easy. Quick and easy to go. It can be served up for lunch, brunch, a picnic. If you're going out and you want to grab a quick sandwich, and the coloring, you can get the coloring to purchase here in Walmart or in any grocery store. Here in the US, I got this at the Dollar Tree. So again, here's another video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next upload or my next video. See you soon. Thank you again for your support. There goes my finished platter with my rainbow sandwiches, cheese sandwiches. Stay tuned for my next video.